What's up, muscle? Can you see me?
He's got the camera pointed right at you.
All right. What's up, muscle car people? Back again, Project Budget Rallycross. Today we made a very great choice. We bought a Subaru WRX rear wing for our
Technically STI.
Ford Thunderbird. Quinn, you want to grab that end there? This is what it looks like. And we're just gonna bolt it on black as it is and
Call it a day.
yeah.
I just assembled the STI wing, and now we need to drill some holes and make this thing attach to the car.
All right, so we got
2 bolts, 2 inserted nuts. So basically the company that sent this to us supplied us with a template, so I'm gonna overlay the template and I'm gonna drill some holes in the trunk, and then we're gonna come up from the bottom and drill into this and attach it to the car. Well, I have a job on my hands and someone's taking it over, and I always get a little...
All you do is measure, and then you set this down, tape it down,
I only have one now.
and drill and drill. I know. It's got rear, and you come over here, you do this one.
All right, you have a good point.
That was easy.
It'll take just one big pull out.
Yeah, but then it's gonna go through the second layer.
No, because he's got a
That's
pilot.
gonna
He's got a
make the
pilot
second
drill in the center of it. The pilot drill's gonna go here. It's gonna cut the hole out of this.
All right, I don't want to be involved in your project anymore. Does that mean you're leaving?
So,
It means he's bored with our shenanigans. I've only got 1 screw in each side right now. That's why.
Why can't you get 2?
here we are in natural state.
It might not even be back. I swear. I didn't put it on. Whenever I get it. I thought it was in my pocket.
If they're in your pocket, I will.
Keys to the car. They put the hood for some reason. I don't know why I put them there.
Good.
We're very. He doesn't. He's not very happy with me right now. Huh?
Is that bolted to the point where it's not gonna blow away?
No.
No, it's not. Why don't you test it?
Kenny, guess what?
Well, we're going to.
We found the
Have to go
keys.
get food.
what?
We found the keys.
Put in the pocket?
Under the
Quinn
hood.
locked them in the hood.
Can we take the tape off at least?
All right, shout out to our sponsor, Black Rifle Coffee Company. Even though I don't think anyone drinks coffee.
I drink Black Rifle coffee.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.